How to add payment in FreshBooks. Need to record a client payment in FreshBooks? Here's the quick way to add it. So first open FreshBooks and then sign into your account. Head over into the invoices section and then under this go ahead and click on retainers. So in here you'll find the list of invoices that you currently have and their information such as the client name, next invoice remaining, free or period, and the total revenue or status. So click on add payment and then choose the payment method: cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer. Enter the amount received, the date, and confirm the payment method. FreshBooks will track partial or full payments automatically. Click save and the invoice status updates to paid or partially paid depending on the amount entered. Go to reports and then check on payments collected to confirm the payment is recorded correctly. Avoid mistakes like adding payments to the wrong invoice or duplicating entries. Online payments via FreshBooks payments are auto-recorded. You only need to add offline payments manually. Adding payments in FreshBooks is simple. It keeps your cash flow transparent and your books accurate, whether you're freelancing or running a business. And that is how to add payments in FreshBooks.